Welcome back, guys, to our YouTube channel, The No Electrician. Today is the fourth day. We are doing the three-bedroom house wiring and fitting. So today is the final day. We are finalizing, then we do testing. So let me take you through today's work. And also, I appreciate those who have subscribed, those who have been watching my videos, those who have been liking. I appreciate you for your support, and may God bless you. May the Almighty Father grant you another chance in this earth, so that you may live long and support people like me. They know electrician. They know electrician. Smash the subscribe button, like, comment, and also share any idea that you need to discuss. And also you can also like, also comment, and continue supporting me along this journey. Thank you. Let me take you to this one. So guys, I want to take you through how to connect a two-gang switch. This is our two-gang switch. It's going to serve the corridor, and also another gang is for the two-way switch for the living room. So these are our cables. So I want to show you how all are going to be fed to this switch. Number one, we have the strappers. The strappers are from the entrance switch. So these two are the strappers. We have main supply that's feeding the switch with the power. We also have the two-lamp feed for the corridor and for the two-way of the living room. So as you can see here, we have for the first gang, this one, the strappers is connected in the lamp feed 1 and lamp feed 2. In the first gang, that's where we connect our strappers. Then in the common, where it's written common, it's where we're going to feed our lamp feed of the living room. So as it acts like the two-way of the living room. Another gang, we have the common and lamp feed 1 and lamp feed 2. That's where we are going to connect the lamp L1, that means lamp feed 1. We are going to feed the lamp feed for the corridor. And also in this, we have the main supply, which is this cable is connected where it's written common. That's where it's going to supply the switch with the power. Also the strappers supply the power from the other switch to this gang, so that it it can control the center light. When you are coming from this side, you can control the center light. So these are the cables. You have already connected them. So you have to ensure also, when connecting, you have to ensure, like this wire cable here, you have to ensure it is stripped. You strip it carefully and ensure you coil the tip here. As you can see, you coil it that way. Then, like this one is the strapper for lamp feed 1. You connect and ensure the strip part enter into the hole fully, and also you ensure you tighten it to avoid loose connection that may interfere with the power supply. So this is how we connect our two-gang switch. So as I told you, the two-gang, one will be for the corridor, another one will be for the two-way for the living room. Thank you. Subscribe to Deno Electrician, like, comment, and share.
As you can see, we want to connect our circuit breaker.
Yeah.
Circuit breakers in our 6-way consumer. And as here, I've just started with the provision of lighting.
Yeah.
Lighting, we are using 1.5 mm squared cable. Why? Because it is good to use the lighting 1.5 cables so that it doesn't draw excess
current.
Current. Thank you. And it's going to be followed by 2.5 cables. And this one we are going to use 32 amps. Yes, to control our socket in this house. Followed by this instant shower. Instant shower we have used is 4.0.
Yeah.
Yes, and 4.0, as you know, in this our house we have 2 washrooms.
Yeah.
So each and every washroom we are going to supply it with a circuit breaker of 20 amps to control the system. And followed by the cooker. Here we have also 6.0. 6.0 we are going to use the circuit breaker of 32 to control the cooker, so that in case of any fault, it finds easy way to trip to save the life of our clients.
And also, can you tell them you have the main supply?
We have here the main supply.
And
according to the load that we have in our house, you know that main supplies goes with the production that will be
the load
taken through in this room.
Yes.
And one of the major load is cooker.
Yeah.
Cooker. We know that if it is cooker, normally rated to 6 mm cable.
6.0 millimeter squared.
Mm squared.
So okay, guys, as you can see, we have my colleague here, Victor, is the one going to do the fitting of our 6-way consumer unit. And as I told you earlier, in the consumer unit is where we are going to have the breakers. We call the MCBs, the miniature circuit breakers. So in this house, these are 3-bedroom houses. That's why you are seeing so many cables in the consumer. And we have the red for the face, black for the neutral, green for the earthing. So guys, that's why you are seeing so many of them. Like they're going to have the different circuit. For the lighting, we have 3 circuits. For the sockets, we have 2 circuits. Shower, for the shower, we have 2 circuits also. We have the submain. The submain, as you can see, we are going to use the submain cable for 6.0. We have the submain. So when the submain reaches the consumer, we are going to feed it to the double pole. We are going to feed it to the double pole rated 63 amperes. Then we loop it with the connector to the other breakers using the connector. So we have also the sockets. So guys, as we continue, I'll be showing you all the process. Keep watching and don't forget to smash the subscribe button till the end. They know electrician.
This is 6-way consumer. I'm going to apply it here. YouTubers. Solve kumatecho. Dua niketa waya maringo round. Kama ni ndio.
Nini mag neutron go tiriwo mag socket shawa ga neutron go tiriwo.
They know.
Yes. How is the work? So you have not tell them the consumer it's going to work like the main switch of this house.
This is what is going to control our appliances in this house. We must protect them. The work of the circuit breakers,
Yeah,
is to control
the circuit. So whenever there is any short circuit, the breaker will trip. So if there is any short circuit in any one of the circuit, like the lighting or the socket, instead of explosion or anything, the circuit breaker MCB are the one that will trip and goes off. That's why we are installing them there, and also we are putting them in different circuits so that whenever there is any short circuit, you can find another. The whole house does not go into blackout. So the circuit that is have a problem, that's the circuit that will goes off, and the other will continue working. That's why we are separating them and having different circuit.
in case of any. The work of circuit breakers is just to control the short circuit.
Yeah.
Muungano ya cables.
And the work of the double pole that we are going to fit here also is going to work like the main switch. So whenever there is a maintenance or repair, you just come and the double pole you have to, when you come, you want to do the repair in future, you just go and switch off the double pole and do the repair so that double pole will act like the main switch. So guys, this is the TV zone. If you can see, that's where we are going to have the section of our TV. And you can see this is our socket. So you can see how they are flush with the wall very neatly. And this one is the TV outlet. This is our TV outlet. This is where the cable from the aerial or from the dish, you come in through here and you connect from here to the TV. So this is the entrance switch. We have these are for the lamp feed of the downlighters and lamp feed for the snake light. These are the lamp feed of them. We use green cable in the switch because the red cable was not enough. That's why we use the green cable. The lamp feed for the downlighters and the lamp feed for the snake light. We also have our main here, our main supply that carries the main. It should also here. We did the downlighters and we are done with them. The only thing remaining is to connect our snake light. That's the only thing we are going to do after we finish by our consumer. So guys, these are our circuit breakers, MCBs. These are the one that client bought. We suggested for him to bought the Tronic, but where he went and bought the material, he found that the Tronic company was over, and he decided to take this one, this Sandeli. This is the double pole. These are the circuit breakers. These are the circuit breakers, as you can see. This is 16 amperes, C16. This is C32, C32 that we are going to put for the cooker. This C32 also for the shower. We have C20 for the lighting system. We have two of them here. And also C32. We're having a total of 6 circuit breakers. That means we have 6 different circuits. 6 different circuits. This is how we are going to arrange them in the meter box. So first, we are going to have the double pole. This is our double pole. Then we arrange from the cooker to the shower, 2 showers, then to the socket, then the lighting, 3 of them. That's how we are going to arrange. So when the sub main comes from the meter box, it will be connected in the upper side of the double pole here, the main, the phase, and the neutral. Then we are going to the load. Going to the load, will connected from the down one part of the double pole, main and neutral. Then from the main, we loop them to the circuit breakers. We loop the phase to all circuit breakers using a connector. Then to the neutral, we loop with a wire from the neutral here to the neutral bar in the consumer. We are going to take a loop from here to the neutral bar, then to the green cable for earthing. The green cable will be connected to the earthing bar also in the consumer unit. So that's the for example how we are going to arrange our consumer. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Continue supporting me. Continue liking and watching. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. They know electrician. To those who have subscribed, I appreciate. And may the God bless you, and may God grant you another days in this world. Thank you. This is our 2-gang switch. So guys, we are moving on all well. We have arranged our cables, as you can see. I have started with the double pole. So double pole is where we have put the sub main. The next is the cooker unit. The next MCB is the cooker. Thirty-two. So cooker we are going to use a 32 amperes MCB. That's our cooker. We have to tighten it to avoid loose connection. know when the breakers are loose, it may cause a short circuit. There will be no enough power. So you have to tighten it very well and ensure it's tightened and strong.
The sockets now.
So we're moving to the sockets. Sockets and lighting, we're going to use a MCB of 20 amperes. So socket we use 2.5, size of the cable. Lighting we use 1.5 millimeter squared. Cooker we use 4.0 and shower. Main supply, that is the sub main, we use 6.0. And this is the look our consumer unit. It was a 6-way consumer unit. And also, as you can see, our cables, they provided, we have ensure we have the long cable in the consumer for future. For future, that's why you have seen we have some we have coiled in the consumer unit, provide the space and also to look neat. So guys, this is our final look our consumer. We have a total of 7 MCBs, different rating. So guys, it's time for installing our snake light. This is our snake light here. That's our snake light. This snake light here, we choose a golden color, as you can see from the box. So it will be lighting golden in color.